1. Did you know that there is a jellyfish that is immortal? Yes, you heard it right. Turritopsis stohii, commonly known as the immortal jellyfish, has the ability to revert back to its juvenile form after reaching maturity. This process is known as transdifferentiation and allows the jellyfish to bypass death and live indefinitely. 2. Honey never spoils. Honey is one of the few foods that never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are still edible after thousands of years. The reason behind this is that honey has low water content and high acidity, which makes it impossible for bacteria to grow and spoil it.